Welcome to the Mindful Dashboard. Most people use AI to move faster, to get more done in less time. But for me, AI became something different. It became a tool that helps me slow down, live more intentionally, and breathe a little deeper each day. Modern productivity is loud. Notifications, deadlines, constant tasks. And somewhere inside all that noise, we forget to simply live. AI can add to the noise, or it can help soften it. I don't use AI to speed up my life. I use it to simplify it, to reduce friction, clear mental clutter, and make more room for presence and for a slower rhythm. AI helps me build gentle structure, not pressure, not intensity, just quiet support. A simple plan for the day, one clear intention, a few small steps, enough to feel grounded, never overwhelmed. When my thoughts feel messy, AI helps me bring clarity, not to produce faster, but to understand deeper. It turns scattered ideas into something calm, intentional, and readable. When I feel overwhelmed, AI becomes a thinking partner. I ask simple questions. What actually matters today? What can I release? Where is the quietest place to start? Not to chase more tasks, but to choose fewer. I don't use AI to produce endless content. I use it to explore ideas slowly, to understand why something matters before thinking about how to make it. It supports creativity without rushing it. Every morning, AI helps me choose one intention, one gentle focus that shapes the rest of the day. Sometimes that's all it takes to make the entire day feel softer. When I stopped asking AI to make me faster and started asking it to make my life softer, everything shifted. Less pressure, more presence, more space to breathe. AI doesn't have to push you. It can support you. It can help you slow down, focus gently, and live with intention. If this helped, feel free to like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd love to build next. Thank you for being here.